Yes, so now we can discuss about content marketing. What is content marketing? Basic fundamentals we can discuss. Content marketing is a marketing strategy used to attract, engage, and retain an audience by creating and sharing relevant articles, videos, podcasts, and other media. This approach establishes expertise, promotes brand awareness, and keeps your business top of mind when it is time to buy what you sell. Then examples of content marketing is blogging examples. When most people think of types of content marketing, they think of blogging as a starting point. Blogging helps you get visitors' attention with helpful information and provides content to flesh out your social media presence and fuel your SEO efforts too. Then role of content marketing. The Content Marketing Institute defines as a marketing technique of creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and acquire a clearly defined audience with the objective of driving profitable customer action. In other words, it is about being helpful to customers making buying. Then three P's are most important content marketing. That is, what are these three P's? The three P's of creating content marketing is punctuation, polish, and power. Punctuation should be there, that is time punctuation, otherwise work punctuation, whatever it may be. And polish, polish is also. So polishing means it should be compact and clear. And it may be product description or service description, whatever it may be. And power, power should be there. If you are having confidence regarding your product and quality, then you will get the power. That is most important. So these three P's, that is punctuation, policy, and power, these three are P's are best for content marketing. This is the information I want to share with you. Wishing you all the best. May God bless you.